beliefs. I thought ceiling fans didn't come with Legos, but I was wrong. I thought ceiling fans didn't come with Legos, but I was wrong. I was wrong. I was wrong.
Calling her meat.
Meat.
Is he calling him with meat? Say it on ABC. Handa.
I'm gonna jump! Woo! So where is Trump? Where's Trump?
He's in there.
Oh, there he is.
Yes, I'm sitting in the office because I'm the mayor and I'm eating McDonald's. Because I'm Donald Trump and I like to eat McDonald's. I order 2 Big Macs, 2 Filet-O-Fish, 3 large fries, a milkshake, and 2 apple pies.
Alright, coming right up.